Sorry about the internet. Okay, the internet is a little bit slow. Hello, good morning, Kitu. How are you? How are you today? Good morning, Shane. Bye bye, Anna, Ka, Pat. Good morning. Okay, today is rainy days, right? Today is, what day is today?
Monday.
Today is Monday and it's rainy day. So you need to take care, okay? Okay. You need to take care today because today is a little bit cold and you have to, yeah, Shane is wearing sweater and also by bang. So you need to take care, okay? Because it's rainy days. Okay, so, okay, K2. So let us start now. With today, welcome to our math. We are in our math class today. So welcome to our math class, and I want you to first prepare your books. You have your notebook with you. You have your notebook with you. Prepare first your notebook or this one paper. You can prepare or your notebook, okay? You have to prepare it. Okay. Okay, now let us start because we are a little bit late. So let's go now. Let us start now. Okay, K2. Okay, now let's start. Just a minute. Our topic for today is, look at this one. I prepared this one for you. Okay, telling the time. Let us check today if you can know how to look at the time already, okay? Okay, look at this one, telling the time. Okay, this one, time. That's why I want you to prepare your book because I want you to write this one. Just like this, I am preparing this one. Okay, you have to draw a circle and you have to make your own watch. You have to write 12 at the center. We have here 12 at the center and 6 here below. Okay, you have to write this one. You have to write this one. And you have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need to make our own watch. So like this. So for me, because I want to make a perfect circle, I am using this one because I don't have anything. So yes, you can draw a circle. Okay. So draw a circle and then you have to make your own watch. Okay. Okay, look at this one. Who is in there? Okay, Kapao is already here, and Anna and Nisha, okay? Draw a circle, and you have to do this one. You have to write here at the top. You have to send this one. This is very important at the top. You have to write here fast and 2. Write here 2 and fast, okay? This is very important at the top. Okay, now let's go to this one. You have to write this one, and let's go. Look at that. If you can take a picture, you have to take a picture. So I think you cannot finish doing this one. And make it nice, okay? Because you would need to post this one in our page. Make it nice. You have to write. Don't forget to write 2 and pass. Okay? You have to do like this. And if you don't have anything to make compass, if you don't have a compass, you can use. For me, I am just using this one. I am just using my medium size phone, this one, and I make it like that, so I can make a perfect circle, just like that. I'm doing like this, so I make a perfect circle, okay? If you don't have a compass. So don't forget to write important to write to and fast. So you can know how to, we can know how to look at our watch, how to look at the time. Now look at this one. You have to write this one, fast 5, fast 5, okay? And you have to write here, you have to put a space, 1, then a little bit space, because you have to write 10 fast, okay? You have to write this one, and you also have to write this one, a quarter past. That's why you have to write at the top, 2 and past. That is very this one, 2 and past, okay? Okay, so you have to write this one, and you have to write 20 past, okay? And you have to write here 25 past. Okay, you have to write this one, and you also have, I want to see this one in your works, in our group chat, okay? In our line, okay? I want to see this one because this is very important. This can help you a lot to identify the time. You know how to watch your clock or your time or your watch, okay? 25 2. You have to write this one first. You have to write this one first, 22. Okay, this one you have a quarter 2. You have to write 10 2. And you also have to write 5 2. Okay, this is what you're going to do. You have to write this one. Okay, you can take a picture first. Okay, I will push this one a little bit like that. Okay, you have to write this one. I want to see this one in our line group, okay? You have to take a picture of this one first, because make it nice because this is your our activities, okay? Make it nice and make more be more creative of doing this. Okay, this is your project. Okay, this is your project. You can do this one, make it more creative, okay, and post it in our line. Don't forget. Okay, so let us go. Have you taken a picture already? Okay, let us go to our example so you can know how to check the time, how to tell the time, okay? You need to know how to tell the time, okay? This is very important because mostly of you is already wearing your watch. So you need to know how, when somebody will ask you, what time is it now? You need to know how to answer, okay? Okay, now look at this one. So, are you ready? I will move now, okay? You can do this one later because we only have minutes left. So what is the time? Now let's go. I will go now, okay? You also have to put here at the middle, you have to put this one, short hand and a long hand. You see the watch? In our watch, we have short hand and long hand. This one will tell us the time, okay? This is the one will tell us the time. So let us check this one. What is the time now? What's the time? This one. It's 1. Yes, it's 1 o'clock. Very good, Shane. So this one, it's 1 o'clock. So what's the time now? What's the time? That's why you said you have to write all this one here. Okay, so it can help you tell the time, okay? It's 5 past 9. That's why I said 5 past 9. Okay? Okay, now let's go. I make a little bit more faster because we don't have too much time, okay? Okay, now what's the time? This one? Can you tell me that this time? Huh? Hey, sorry. Okay, it's 10 past 6. 10 past 6. This one. Okay, if somebody will ask you, you know already how to answer, okay? And this one, what's the time this one now? The shows the clock. Look at this one. It's 7:15. You will say, okay, Shane, what's the time now? And you are watching this watch. It's 7:15. Okay? Yes, 7:15. And how about this one? Okay? Look at the watch. What's the time now? What's the time? It's 20. Yes, 20 past 2. Who is answering? Okay. 20 past 2. Okay? 20 past 2. Okay. So now let's go to this one. What's the time now? This one. Look at the clock. It's 25 past 11. Okay, 25 past 11. Okay, now let's go to this one. What's the time? 3:30. Yes, 3:30. And how about this one? Can you look at the time? What's the time now? It's 25. Yes, very good. 25 to 8. It's 25 to 8. And now let's go to this time. Look at the time. What's the time now? In this clock?
20
Oh, yes, very good. Very good, Chen. It's 20 to 6. Very good. Yes, you need to answer like that, okay? And then look at this one. Okay, what's the time? This one. This one. What's the time? This one. This clock shows what time? It's 4:45. It's 4:45. Okay? So, okay, it's 4:45. Okay, on this one, in this clock, it shows what time? In this clock. Look at this one. Look at this clock.
10 to 12. 10 to 12.
Yes, it's 10 to
10
12.
to 12.
Okay, it's 10 to 12. Okay, very good. You are all very good. Okay, this one. What's the time now? This one, this clock. This clock shows what time?
It's 5 to 4.
Yeah, it's 5 to 4. Okay, very good. Now look at this one. Okay, what time is it? This one. Can you, if you, mostly of your watch is showing like this. Showing like this, right? Mostly of your clock, it's this one. What time is this now? Is it
35 to 2. 35 to 2.
35 to 2?
No.
Oh, it's 25
Okay.
to 3. Okay. Okay, very good. This one, 25 to 3. Now let's go to the next. This one. What time is this one? What time is it now? How you tell the time? It's
5 to 2.
5 to 3.
Okay.
Let's which one's correct? Okay. It's 5 to 3. And then let's go to this one. What time is it now? Is it 20 to 5 or 20 to 4?
20 to 5.
20 to 5. 20
Okay.
to 5. Very good. Yes, 20 to 5. Very good. Correct. Now let's go to this. It's 10 to 15,
10 to 11.
10 to 11.
or 10 to 11? If 10 to 11?
10 to 11.
Okay.
Okay.
10 to 11. Very good. Okay, now how about this one?
10 to
A quarter to 6 or a quarter to 7?
Quarter to 7.
Quarter to 6.
To 6. So quarter to 6 is
No.
wrong. Quarter to 7
Okay.
is correct. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, we are now finished. Let's go feedback first. So you know now already. You know now already to check the time, right?
This one.
You know already how to check the time. Now I want you to again write this one. Assure. Okay, I want you to draw a circle and do this one, okay? And do this one, okay? This one, okay? I will go back to this one because I want you to write this one and show this one in our line group, okay? This one, okay? Okay, K2, you have to do this one. So you are, I know you are very good already in telling the time, but you have to do this one. This one will help you more because some of you, maybe some of you cannot get it too much yet. You have to write this one, okay? You have to write this one. This is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write this one and post this in our line group, okay? I want to see this one. I want to see all of you. I will do this one and pass this in our line group, okay? Because next time I will ask you more about telling the time. I will ask you one by one. And I will ask you one by one next time, okay? Okay, K2? Okay, so you have to do this one. This is my homework. And for now, I want to say thank you to all of you. You are all so smart. You're answering all the questions here. So I want to see you again. Again, okay? We have for today. We only have math. Okay, so this is all for today, my dear people. You have to take care always, okay? And study hard. Okay, thank you so much, Kitu. You can finish this one later, okay? Finish this one later and you have to post this in our line group. So thank you so much and hard time now. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kitu. Bye. Bye for now. I want to say bye-bye for now. Our time is already up. Thank you. I want to see your heart sign. I want to see your heart sign first. Okay, bye. Bye-bye, Shane. Anna, bye. Pat. Shane, Anna, Pat. Nisha, Kapau, bye-bye. Thank you so much. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. I love you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. I love you too.
Bye-bye.
Okay, pass that one in our line group, okay? That is your homework. So bye, because we don't have any books this time. Okay, bye. Thank you. I love you, Kitu.
I love you.
Bye.